Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a Dutch braid. Let me show you a picture. Simple, it's very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it on my cousin's hair because her hair is quite long, so it's easier for me to do it on her hair. Because if you have layers, you won't be able to do it so nicely because the short hair will come out. But if you have straight cut hair, then it's basically easy because then your hair will keep in. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, and don't forget to check out all my previous videos for Vlogmas so far, and stay tuned for the next ones because on Monday I will have a challenge, and next weekend Friday I will have a normal beauty video, and then Vlogmas is finished. Oh my god, the time goes so quick. Next weekend Wednesday, not Wednesday coming, but the week after that, it's Christmas. So basically guys, enjoy your holidays, be safe, but don't let me speak too much. Let's get into this video.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Simple Dutch braid. I will have more videos on how to do a Dutch braid with similar hairstyles in the future, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Stay tuned until next time.